Welcome to our channel, Technology in the Future. Finally, good news. We now know the costs and the newest features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones. Please watch the video through to the finish to learn everything. Before January 2024, Samsung will not release the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, we already know what the costs will be. Every day, the Samsung Galaxy S24 reveals a little bit more about itself. We already know their technical details thanks to several leaks. To be complete, the smartphone costs were the only thing lacking. Let's now discuss the cost of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones. The Korean media reports that Hankyong fixed this error. A reliable source claims that the costs of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will not go up. Samsung plans to maintain the same pricing structure as its Galaxy S23 series. Put another way, the Galaxy S24 will retail for $799, the Galaxy S24 Plus for $999, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra for $199 per unit. These costs apply to models with basic configurations. Furthermore, it should be mentioned that they do not account for VAT. Hopefully, Samsung will implement this policy globally as well. An improvement in technical attributes. In any case, if accurate, this is welcome news, particularly in light of the Samsung Galaxy S24 model's increased technical specifications. Numerous details have already surfaced, mostly on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A Qualcomm Snapdragon H Gen 3 CPU would power it. This CPU is compatible with only one model of the Galaxy S24 lineup, the Model. In Europe, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus variants will only be able to use an Exynos 2400 processor. The display's brightness, which can reach 2600 nits, is an additional feature. A 200MP Sony sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide angle, a 50MP sensor with a 5x optical zoom, and a 10MP sensor with a 10x zoom would make up its camera. In addition to providing a satellite link in case of emergency, the three Galaxy S24s should benefit from AI functions. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra may keep its 10x lens and add a 5x zoom. In contrast to earlier reports, recent rumors said that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would keep its 10x zoom lens, merely switching out the 3x for a 5x zoom. On January 17, 2020, Samsung is anticipated to formally unveil the new Galaxy S24 series. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Well, peace out.